This video is closed captioned. Cruises are an excellent way to see the world. With no effort on your part, you wake up in new port cities each day, read a good book on the sunny deck, and bask in the warmth of the sun. At least that's most cruises. Alaskan cruises are an entirely different beast and magical and unforgettable in their own right. Alaska is an expensive place to visit, and cruises offer a budget-friendly way to see a lot of the highlights of this desolate but magnificent landscape. If you're researching your own dream vacation, listen to our list of 20 tips and tricks to make the most of your cruising adventure. Number 20. Look for ships with solariums. There is no Caribbean cruise. Many warm weather ships boast huge pools and water parks on the main decks, but it will be a lot chillier on your cruise. So look for boats with covered heated pools. Even a heated outdoor pool will be unpleasant to get out of in the brisk air. Number 19. Pack for a variety of temperatures. Weather is a huge consideration when packing for Alaska. Many cruise lines advertise temperatures ranging between 30 degrees and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Both are chilly, but keep in mind that port cities or hiking excursions might feel warmer. Not to mention the warmth in protected areas of the ship, including your room. Pack so you can easily dress in layers, adjusting for your comfort. Number 18. You can find cheaper fares in May and September. Summer is prime time for cruises, but booking on the shoulder season, early and late when school is in season, or the weather isn't as likely ideal, can save some serious money. You can easily save hundreds of dollars or put the same amount of money towards an upgraded cabin. Number 17. Prepare yourself for strange port times. If you've cruised through tropical waters or down European rivers, you're probably used to waking up and finding yourself in a new exciting city for the day. In Alaska, many ports of call are scheduled for late afternoon arrivals, making for shorter days. Number 16. Pack a dry bag. Alaska can be a dreary, wet place, and you are on a boat, surrounded by the ocean after all. It's always a good idea to bring a dry bag where you can ensure you have a dry change of clothes or protection for other essential personal items. Number 15. Support local. When you are in port cities, you'll have the opportunity to go shopping. Many cruise lines will offer websites or coupon books ahead of your arrival at the port. Many vendors use these to market their goods or provide discounts. Prices may be higher closer to the docks, so it's worth taking some time to wander and scope out the shopping first, and you'll quickly find standard souvenirs like t-shirts and coffee cups, but we suggest hunting for local craft work, wood carvings, baskets, and a wide range of other works. Number 14. Be ready for long daylight hours. Depending on the time of year, the sun may rise as early as 4 a.m., with 18 hours or more of daylight. That's a long day if you aren't used to disrupting your circadian rhythm. Listen to your body and retire early to catch up on sleep if you need to. Number 13. Don't forget your binoculars. The scenery is one of the main reasons you've come to Alaska, but so much of it is appreciated through afar that it's essential to have a good pair of binoculars to bridge the gap. You will have a better chance of spotting puffins, whales, or icebergs if you're armed with some binoculars. Number 12. Bring your good camera and zoom lenses. Think of the wildlife you're hoping to spot while on your cruise. Bald eagles, orcas, whales, bears, and more. You won't be seeing any of them close enough to use the zoom feature on your smartphone's camera. Packing the right gear will help you memorialize your trip for years to come. Number 11. Don't pay for the Wi-Fi. Stay disconnected outside of port. Staying connected has gotten easier while on vacation, but not always cheaper. You'll find complimentary basic services on many flights with additional fees for streaming, but on cruising ships, it's still considered a premium accessory with a high price. If you want internet access throughout your trip, you'll likely have to pay at least $25 for each day, if not more, and a single hour might cost as much as $20. If you can survive without checking email, Facebook, and doom scrolling, we suggest keeping everything in airplane mode until you can access free Wi-Fi in the ports. That provides almost daily connection but keeps you free to enjoy your trip thoroughly. Number 10. Reserve onboard activities early. Cruise ships are the definition of a captive audience, particularly for Alaskan cruises since, as we've discussed, you may be spending more time on board than other cruise locations, so it's a good idea to reserve dinners and entertainment early. When ships offer apps to plan and order, use them to your advantage. Know what you want to experience before you step on board so you know what to keep an eye open for. You'll be disappointed if you don't plan accordingly and have to eat at the buffet for every meal. Number 9. Save up for excursions. There are many incredible sights to see from the deck of your cruise ship when cruising along Alaska's coast, but all cruises are supplemented with activities when you're in port, and in Alaska, there are some you won't want to miss. Whether it's getting up close and personal with glaciers, whale watching, or other wildlife viewings, they will all enhance your magical journey. But they'll also come at a price, and probably much more expensive than Caribbean excursions. Be prepared to spend hundreds of dollars on tours to plan your budget outside your cruise's inclusions. Number 8. Understand the rules and regulations. Alaska is a true wilderness. It earns its nickname the last frontier. There are 14 mountain ranges, 22 million acres of national park lands, and over 3 million lakes. It's rugged, untamed, and dangerous for those who disregard the warnings. We aren't telling you to be terrified your entire trip, just aware. For example, pay attention to signs warning people to stay away from areas frequently traveled by bears, particularly during salmon spawning in spring, when hungry or mother bears are easily aggravated. There are more than 125,000 bears in Alaska. Ensure you don't irritate them. Number 7. Take a hike in a port town. Hiking is one of the best ways to connect with the Alaskan wilderness. With such expansive swaths of land, it's easy to feel worlds away from your problems and everyone else. Each port city offers several hiking opportunities, some more challenging than others. If you enjoy our videos, join us on our journey worldwide by subscribing to our channel. Please click the bell icon to get notified when we publish a new video. Number 6. Add an Alaskan cruise tour. This is your favorite way to see Alaska. As we've discussed, you'll need binoculars, a zoom lens, and some sturdy hiking boots to see what Alaska offers. But there's a simpler way. Some cruise lines offer cruise tours. You'll enjoy a multi-day cruise, followed by a scenic train ride that takes you to your wilderness lodging for a few nights. It's a great mix of land and sea and is well worth the additional spend if you can swing the budget. Number 5. Balconies might not be worth it in Alaska. Balconies are great in theory. Step outside onto your personal veranda and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. But will you be warm enough in your pajamas or robe when faced with the chilly Alaskan air? Some may find this acceptable, even enjoyable, but consider your comfort threshold when deciding if a balcony room is best for you. Additionally, there's a lot of demand for rooms with balconies, so the prices may be significantly higher. This provides an opportunity to save some money if you can get by without the feature. Number 4. Opt for common observation areas instead. For the same reason that balconies might not be your best bet, common observation areas provide respite from the weather. These areas may be single or multi-storied and provide panoramic views and comfortable seating to enjoy the majestic scenery. Number 3. Research and choose the right size ship. Cruise ships come in all shapes and sizes. Smaller cruise ships may offer a more intimate experience. You may get to know passengers and the crew better than on a large vessel. A smaller ship can also navigate narrower waterways, opening up unique port opportunities, but they may lack some of the large-scale amenities that other ships boast, such as pools or dining options. And large ships may have many more options for curating your perfect trip, but it might feel impersonal, or you might hate having to strategically scope out the best seats, dining reservations, or wait in long lines to get on and off in port cities. Make a list of your priorities and expectations to help you choose the right size ship for you. Number 2. Eat local when you can. In addition to buying local goods as souvenirs, it's always advisable to check out the local cuisine. Alaska offers stunningly fresh seafood and other local ingredients you might not usually have access to. Chinook salmon is one of 4 types you might feast on, not to mention other delicacies from the sea like halibut and king crab. Wild meats such as reindeer, moose, or caribou might be featured on menus and offer rich proteins akin to beef. Number 1. Put in a Northern Lights wake-up call. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are challenging to catch. Conditions are not always right, and they often appear late at night, sometimes only for a few moments, before disappearing again. You don't want to pull all-nighters every night, hoping you catch a glimpse of this spectacular phenomenon. Instead, use your cruise line to your advantage. Most, if not all, offer wake-up calls for your cabin if the Northern Lights appear. It's a low-risk, high-reward scenario that every single cruiser should participate in. That's it for today's list. What's your favorite excursion to pair with your Alaskan cruise? Do you have a favorite cruise line? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button on your way to the next video. And if you want to see more travel content like this, subscribe to our channel. Enable notifications to ensure you never miss a video upload from us. Who knows? Maybe we'll cover your dream vacation in our next video. Until next time.